Do you want to change the strap on your Casio Royale, but you're struggling to find anything that fits? You're not alone. The problem with the Royale is its lug shape. The actual watch lugs are 18mm, but the strap flares out to 24mm. If you buy a standard 18mm strap, it looks way too skinny and a little bit silly, but if you buy a 24mm watch strap, it just won't fit the case. The solution is a bit of DIY. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily notch a watch strap so it fits your watch perfectly. To do this, we only need a few basic tools: a cutting board, a spring bar tool, a fine pen, some low-tack painter's tape, and a very sharp craft knife with a brand new blade. First, use your spring bar tool to remove the original Casio bracelet. Next, grab your new 24mm leather strap. Pop a piece of painter's tape tightly over the back of the strap. Now place the original Casio bracelet directly over the top of that strap. Take your pen and then carefully trace around the original notch. It's now time to cut. Place your strap on a board and take your craft knife and work your way around the outside edge nice and slow until you hit the center of your mark. Now cut the other side, keeping the blade perfectly straight. Take your time with this one. Now pull the excess leather off. Now just repeat this for the other side and the other end of the watch strap. Peel off the tape and you've got a beautiful clean notch. And there you go, a completely custom look for your Casio Royale that opens up a whole world of strap options. What do you think of the new look? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out watchobsession.co.uk for all your watch straps and tools. Please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.